not HD or whatever, but see, I done sprayed it with CLP, by the way. See, a lot of this stuff, it wasn't much carbon buildup on it anyway. You know, see, the nylon brush will work. Get something right here. Some old patches. See, there isn't much on here. Nylon brush would work for the most part of this, but there is carbon buildup still here that the nylon brush won't remove. I don't know if you could see this, but there's still carbon buildup. I say I haven't even began cleaning the gun yet. I just figured I'd get this video out of the way. I might do the other side good. But anyway, brass brush, you know. I need to get a new brush. This one's about worn out. Get some of these bristles back, get some old residue off of it. Anyway, and trust me, you can scrub with this. It's not going to get that stuff off. I've tried that extra stuff. Yeah. And I'm not scrubbing hard. I'm just lightly scrubbing. And you see, it removes a lot more. Now, if this was, I guess it would be better if I showed a video if it were hard use. But if this was a video of after heavy use, you know, if I would have fired a couple hundred rounds through it, this nylon brush really wouldn't have done much. I would have had to bring out the brass brush. That's why it's not taking so long, because I kept it pretty clean. You know, I used a brass brush on it, because this deep carbon stuff, this stuff that I guess got real hot, nylon brush ain't gonna cut it. You need something a little bit more stouter. And this, the reason why I'm showing this, it's the same way with the barrel or any part that's got carbon on it. Parts that are going to be affected by a lot of carbon are going to need to be brass brushed. You see, even with that, there's still a little bit of carbon on there, but it would have never gotten. I'm definitely going to take more off, but yeah, nylon brush definitely wouldn't have done that. Alright guys, thanks for watching.